Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Take care, Sourav. I am Sourav Dutta, and today in this video I am going to show you how to fix drive is not accessible, access is denied. So how to fix this problem? Follow my all steps. Don't skip the video. I am encountering this issue with my drive. If you experience the same problem, you will need to follow a few steps to fix it. First, right click on the problematic drive and go to the properties. After clicking on properties, then click on the security option. Then click on advanced option. Next, within the permission section, an option label continue will appear. Click on it. After that, go to the owner option and click to change. Then click to advanced option. After that, click to find now and search everyone. Then double click on everyone and then click on OK. Check the box that say replace owner on sub container and object, then click apply and OK. Next you need to grant permission. Now back in the advanced security settings window and click add in the bottom left and select a principal. Then click to advanced option, then click on find now and search for everyone. Once it is found is everyone, double click on it and then click on OK button. In the basic permission section, check full control. Then click on replace all child object followed by the apply button. Finally click the OK button to save the settings. The problem has been solved. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubt related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.